Well sister, let me be the first to say, nice hairdo. Very bright and the faintest wisp of Donna in your sparkle. Hey, last I saw you, you were in a classroom with a dark mop on top. So tell me, what can I do you for? You've brought us to a pretty scary place, what is the reason, or is there a cup of tea ready while I wait?
No particular reason. Just wanted to keep tabs, touch base, you know how it goes, show off my new look and say how happy I am to be making these broadcasts with you. I'm still emptying bedpans at the hospital, dirty old things full of God's unanswered questions, in 2 hours of the day that you are sitting there creating on your computer. I mean, it's not real work. When are you gonna get your operation done and get on the horse again?
I don't need real work, I'm a visionary, I create music, and haven't you yourself enjoyed the cartoons? Haven't you enjoyed the escape?
Yes, of course I have.
Well, that doesn't happen in 5 minutes, it takes hours and days and weeks of labor to create cartoons and do animation, that's why it's so rare and hard to do, almost like a secret kingdom thou, once you discover it, you fall in love with it. I have.
You'd fall in love with your shadow if you were on another bender. But it is nice to see you happy, so we best get out of this scary woods before anything bad happens. I'll see you soon.
You will, take care, cheers, big ears.